3, 2, 1, go. Magically passes through. More time, it actually just... Wow! Watch the silver dollar. It actually just turns into a sand dollar. And another one. Just like that.
How can you do that?
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Magic. I am your host, Evan Era. Today we're here in Santa Monica, California. For this episode, we're showing you 7 magic beach pranks for summertime.
Summer days drifting away.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. This first one is a classic magic prank to pull off at the beach. Check it out. Okay, watch the knot. It's gonna go through your body. 1, 2, 3.
That's not even funny.
This here is?
Oh my god, it freaks me out. No, it's not mine. What is that? What? Why would you even do that? For a second I thought, don't. That's not funny.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. So the secret to the baffling bra trick, this is really simple. It's just a woman's brassiere attached to the end of a hanky like this. This is actually like a pocket that it can go down inside. It's stitched together so you can hide this down inside here. And then on the other end of the brassiere is the little end of a handkerchief just like that. That's what you tie into a knot. So you load this down inside your handkerchief pocket just like that and let that little end stick out. So now the bra is hidden inside this handkerchief. You can hold it right here and show this completely normal on both sides. This handkerchief's completely normal, and then you tie these ends together just like that. Hold the handkerchiefs from either end, and then as you pull, the handkerchief will magically come out of the little pocket. It looks like the bra just magically appears or is pulled out of the spectator's clothing, but it's actually not, so it's a super funny and innocent beach prank and a classic illusion that magicians have been doing for ages. And that is the secret of the magic swimsuit prank. Here's an impossible looking magic prank that's perfect for the beach. Check it out. Okay, so this is another classic beach magic trick. You ever seen magicians like pull something like a quarter from behind a kid's ear type thing? So I actually see something right there behind your ear. It's a
Sharpie.
little red Sharpie marker. Isn't that crazy?
Okay.
Watch, I can actually take it a step further though. We take the Sharpie, it's normal size, right? If I just put it behind your ear one more time, it actually just
Wow! What?
to a magic giant Sharpie marker.
What? Let me see. That is cool.
It's a magic marker. You can actually use it for a flotation device.
I can take it in the water.
Here's the simple secret behind the giant marker trick. Okay, your first step for this trick is to get a red Sharpie marker. Second step is to get a big inflatable Sharpie. This is like a pool toy, a pool noodle, but we're gonna use it for magic. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a special giveaway. Step 3 is to inflate your giant pool noodle. The next step to this is to have an accomplice. Someone who's gonna hide behind your mark and secretly hand you the pen and the giant Sharpie marker. So your accomplice is behind them, they just secretly pass it over their shoulder. You can make pretty much anything appear like that, and then you can even switch it and make it magically grow into something giant. Stay tuned until the end of the video if you want to win the magic giant marker. And that is how you do the magic growing marker trick. The trick of the week this week is brought to you by howtoMagicShop.com. Get some amazing magic tricks to fool your friends and family. The link for that is in the description. We ship everything worldwide, so head over to the shop now and pick up some magic to fool your friends and family. Here's an old school illusion with a new twist for summertime. Take a look at this performance. Okay, V, so I have a sand bucket here. It's completely empty except for all the sand inside. Yeah. So we'll dump that out.
Okay.
Empty, yeah? Okay, so check this out. Hands empty too. Watch. If I just reach up in the air, I can actually grab an invisible coin. As I toss it, it just lands in the bucket just like that. I can actually do it again. If I just grab right here, and grab one, and it'll just another one into the bucket just like that.
That is insane.
Watch, another. And another. And another. Just like that, and another one, just like that. You can actually hold out your hands.
Oh, that is insane. That's crazy.
Still empty inside.
I want magic.
Watch, grab one, actually grab a handful and just right inside, just like that. Hold out your hands.
What is happening? This is insane.
Magic sand bucket.
I need one of those.
Spoiler alert, the secret to this trick is coming up next. So all you need for this trick is a sand bucket. This is traditionally done with a metal bucket, but we're gonna use a sand bucket because we're at the beach. Then you need some coins. The bigger the coin, the better, because it reads better to your audience. So don't use something like dimes or nickels or quarters. Try and get a bigger coin. These are dollar coins from the United States. And all you're gonna do is conceal these coins in your hand before the trick starts. And you're gonna hold the bucket on the side with the coins concealed just like so. Now the only real key to the trick is to drop the coins one by one from underneath your hand. You keep them concealed right here and you're just gonna drop them one by one at the same time that you act like you magically pluck them out of the air and toss them into the bucket. You're just gonna release a coin at that same time. Then another one. So you're just gonna keep doing this over and over as you toss coins into the bucket. It seems like they just magically multiply over and over again until you have a whole bunch of coins in your bucket. You can dump these out, give them to your audience to keep as a souvenir. You can also have a coin palmed in your hand like this, and as you reach up in the air, actually grab it out like this, and then as you throw it, palm it again to make it look like the coin just drops into the bucket. And the plink of the coin dropping into the bucket is what really sells the illusion that the coin is disappearing inside over and over. Watch another. And another. And another. Just like that. And another one. And that is how you do the Magic Miser's Dream in the sand bucket trick. Here's a cool pocket trick, perfect for the high seas. Check it out. Okay, this is the Magic Pirate Sword trick. It's a perfect little pocket trick that you can carry around with you. We have these available in our shop at evaneraTV.com. You see the pirate right here. He has his metal sword right here on the front. And then we also have this little pin right here, actually a bull. You can see the head of the bull right there. So you actually take the little metal bull. It's gonna slide through this hole just like that. Goes all the way through the little plastic disc and it comes out the other side. You can see the metal tip of it right there, so it's going all the way through. Then all you have to do is push this switch down and the pirate's sword magically passes through the neck of the bull without cutting it. Alright matey, here's the secret of the Magic Pirate Sword trick. This is completely self-contained magic right here. This little thing does all the work for you. If you order one of these from evaneraTV.com, this is what you will receive in the mail from us. It's all self-contained. The little bull key is attached with a chain. All you have to do is insert it just like this. Press the little switch on the side and it does all the work for you. The pirate sword will magically penetrate through the neck of the bull pin. They can insert it, they can take it out, they can even press the button. The secret is all found in the pirate's sword itself. The sword actually travels all the way around in the opposite direction. It just happens so fast that your eye actually cannot pick it up. It looks like it's going right through from there to there. It's actually traveling all the way around in the opposite direction. It's a little spring inside this, and there's just so much tension on it that when it pops like that, it's traveling the opposite direction. We're gonna slow this down in super slow motion to show you. So amazing, such a cool little pocket trick. Pick one up today at evaneraTV.com and amaze your friends and family. And that is the secret of the Magic Pirate Sword trick. Pick one up today. Here's a fun food prank to play at the beach. Check it out. Okay, watermelon eating contest time.
I totally got this.
On the count of three, as fast as you can, let's see who wins. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
How did you do that? How did you do that?
Fast eater.
Wow.
Don't choke on
I
it.
totally lost them. How did you do that? Okay, you totally beat me. Wow. I almost choked on that. I thought I was totally gonna win. Look how much I just did. That's insane.
I might have used a little magic. Here's the secret behind winning the contest every time. Here's the secret behind winning the watermelon eating contest every time.
How did you do that? How did you even eat that so fast? Seriously.
There's actually a secret to it. Let me show you how. So first things first, you're gonna need a watermelon and you're gonna need to carve it up into slices. Okay, so now that you have the slices cut, you're ready to do the contest, but there's one thing you're gonna do before the contest starts, before you even propose this contest to the person you're doing it against. So hold this for me. Before you do the prank, you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna run it right along the edge of the rind of the melon on both sides all the way across so that you separate the melon from the rind. And if you leave it sitting just like this, you totally can't tell that it's been cut. So as soon as we started the contest, when you went to eat your piece, it was like 3, 2, 1, go. I swiped this off to the side and it just looked like I ate it in an instant.
Yeah, that blew my mind. That's crazy.
I do waste this little piece of watermelon, but it's okay because it's worth it for the prank.
It totally tricked me.
So you ready to do the contest? You're like 3, 2, 1, go. and they look over and it looks like you've already eaten yours in like less than a second. This is completely impossible. Super fun summer prank that you can do at home, at a picnic, or at the beach.
But you didn't win. We need a fair fight.
You want to do it for real?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it for real. There's no cuts on this one. Giving you a fair shot here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm done. I totally won.
That's legitimate. And that is the magic secret behind winning a watermelon eating contest every time. Here's an awesome magic prank to pull at the beach. Check it out. Okay, be a cool sand trick. I have empty hands here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, pull nothing in my hands. Okay, watch. If I reach down in the sand right here, I take a little bit of sand in my hand. You see it right there?
Yeah.
If I just let it sprinkle into this hand, you can see it going in, right?
Yeah.
All that sand goes in my hand just like that.
Okay.
Now look, dust it off a little bit. Now watch, I take the sand.
Ah! Whoa! Where'd it go?
Disappeared. Watch, it actually comes back right here though. And
Yeah. Ah! Oh my God. Why would you do that? That's not funny. I don't like those kinds of pranks.
sandy trick. Okay, here's the secret of the magic disappearing sand prank. The secret behind this one is a magic thumb tip. This is a fake hollow thumb that you wear over your real thumb, and you can hide all sorts of things inside it to make it look like they magically disappear. We have these available at evanaratv.com. If you don't have one yet, I highly recommend every magician have one. Even if you're not a magician, if you just love doing magic, you love watching magic, it's something you can have because you can do a trick at a moment's notice. It's a great thing to carry around with you. You just conceal the thumb tip in your hand like this. The sand goes right inside. The audience sees it goes in. The sand goes in the thumb tip just like that. You can see it going in. You obviously have that concealed in your hand, then you dust it off, and then what happens is your other thumb comes over and takes this out, and from this angle it totally looks like your hand is just completely empty. You can then act like you blow the sand in their face, and they see that it's magically disappeared. Now to make the sand reappear, you can simply curl this thumb in, wrap your fingers around, pull your thumb out, and as you turn your hand over, the sand will pour out just like that. You could dump it on their head, on their shoulders, or in their lap. Just a funny, harmless prank to pull at the beach. Pick up a thumb tip and try it today. Also, stick around to the end of the video if you don't have a thumb tip. I'll be giving some away to lucky comments down below. And that is how you do the magic disappearing sand prank. Here's a cool money trick to do on your next beach vacation. Take a look. Okay, super cool coin trick. I have a silver dollar here. If I just give it a rub, it actually turns into a sand dollar, just like that. The secret behind this one is super simple. Here's how it's done. Okay, all you need to set up this money trick is a silver dollar and a sand dollar. So you have to have bigger hands to do this, but it's a simple switch. You're gonna conceal the sand dollar in your hand, right behind your middle finger, just like this, so that from the front it totally looks like your hand is empty. You can then take the silver dollar and palm it in this hand as you simultaneously turn this hand sideways to make the sand dollar appear. It looks like the silver dollar just magically turns into a sand dollar. Super cool beach prank for summer. That is how you do the magic sand dollar trick. All right, guys, that is it. If you like this beach pranks video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it. You can share it on your Facebook or Twitter, text or email it to a friend. All the sharing really does help. Thank you so much. And be sure to hit a thumbs up on the video. It really does help too. Which leads me to, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. So if you want to win any of the magic tricks in the video so that you can perform the tricks on the beach, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I will pick random comments, 7 random comments, and send you some magic beach pranks so that you can prank your friends and family. All right, guys, it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me an email to this email right here with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this beach pranks giveaway. Hit the thumbs up and leave those comments down below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button right down there and tap that notification bell. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, it's right over there. Subscribe to my vlog channel too if you want to see a cool behind the scenes of this video. So from beautiful Santa Monica in Los Angeles, California, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.